We have 5 showings scheduled already in less than 24 hours. People are really responding to it well.
Let's do this.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Thanks, Vanessa.
Here is the master bedroom. All the drapes are coming down. Rods are coming down. Crown molding on top is fine, but on the bottom should come down, and the wallpaper too. A small accent chair here. This is the master bathroom. Taking those things off, these to update, knobs to update. There's a hallway bath right here. All the wallpapers coming down. The home office. And then go down the other wing. The lights, curtains coming down. Opposite here, twin girl accent chair. Lights coming down. Parquet floors, hopefully sanded down. And the light here to be updated. Same thing here. Coming down here at the entrance. Wallpapers coming down. Lights going to be replaced. Curtains out. Here's the step down living room. The accent chair here. Nice fireplace. Step up dining. It's about an 82. And chandelier is gonna go away. Going into the kitchen. For benefit of the doubt, but still won't do anything. Family room. We can't put a couch here, obviously. The couch goes over here. The bathroom is behind that way. This is a fun bar area. Washer dryer. Fun room, except wallpapers and valance are coming down, although the blue pictures are staying. It's actually really cool, navy blue. Couch is going here, breakfast table here. Can have a sitting area up here, and patio area here. We have a 3-piece or a bench.
Oh, I'm so excited to see how Ponce is looking. Hey Vanessa, I'm here.
Knock knock.
Hi.
How are you doing, Miriam?
Good, how are you? I'm so excited to see it. It looks so great.
What was here before?
A lot of wallpaper.
And did you paint it over?
We took it off. 4 layers of wallpaper.
4 layers.
A lot of work for the painters, but worth it. Yeah.
And so then you decided to paint it.
We decided to paint it on your recommendation. This color was white as white?
White as white.
White as white.
And how about the trims?
Same, just different finish, right?
She's learning.
I got it. I can't mess that up.
Okay, let's have you check out the house.
I'm excited. Let's go.
Okay, come on in. What was here before?
Well, we put in new carpet. We painted everything.
Okay.
Again, the white is white, and it definitely looks great. I was nervous about it all being white, but it looks so good, and the staging is awesome.
We've done many homes with this layout.
Yeah.
And it's always a challenge with the walls being not symmetrical.
Windows, pathways.
Exactly. And every home, we design it differently.
Yeah.
Here, we did the conversation piece in one area.
That's great, and the fireplace is kind of the center of it, and it'll be a great living room for somebody.
Exactly, nice and bright.
Very bright.
And there's no overhead lighting, but the house feels bright.
Yeah, the high ceilings and big windows help with that for sure. It looks great.
Let's have you check out the dining room.
Wow, this is great. This used to be, I believe, wallpaper as well, and older carpet. But really taking down that huge chandelier and replacing it with that cool modern light fixture that you recommended really did a lot for this room.
And it was cheap and cheerful.
Yeah, inexpensive and happy.
It was hung at the right height.
Yeah.
The proportion is great for the room, and it's a statement piece without costing a million bucks.
And it's just really fun, and that's what buyers today want.
Yes.
Something fun, for sure.
And the house feels like it's newer. How old is this house?
Yeah, this house is, I want to say it's like over 40 years old, and it had the original owner had a lot of the original things in here, but it looks like a whole new house.
Can we say keeping it cheap and cheerful and simple? Is that kosher?
Yeah, it's a big change with not a lot of money spent, which is great for my client, and the new buyer gets something fun.
Completely move-in ready and stylish.
Yeah, it's ready for somebody to put their own stamp on, but you can definitely comfortably live here for sure.
And this space can fit more people if we wanted to, but we just kept it pretty much at 6, and it's just kind of perfect and proportional.
Yeah, I mean, having a separate formal dining room is sort of rare anyway, so I think it'll work great for the new buyer. They have informal dining in the kitchen and now the formal dining.
Keep the kids out, have the kids go over here.
Yeah.
And speaking of kids, let's go down to this fun room.
Okay, let's go.
The fun area.
Yeah, first off, the kitchen, the heart of the home. And yeah, if you remember, we painted out these cabinets as well. Yes. White is white. They had a kind of an interesting finish on them, and I think it worked out really well. It looks very good. We have granite counters.
Look, panel fridge.
Yes,
I mean, you don't
and we painted this panel. That's a lot of work.
So everything looks a lot newer. How about this?
Yes.
Fun light.
This is a really light, fun light fixture that you recommended, and it really gives the room a more modern feel without spending a lot of money. A great little informal dining nook, and it's going to work out really well for somebody.
It feels so spacious now with the glass table.
Oh yeah, it really does. It makes a big difference.
And speaking of the fun area,
let's go check it out. Yeah, this room we put all new carpet in here and painted as well, and it had actually a mural painted on this wall. That is now the fun bar area that you created, so that's really cool.
You know, this is now completely multifunctional because you can watch TV, you can entertain,
right,
and you can watch the kids.
Yeah, and this was a hard room to configure because of all the doorways, pathways, sliders.
Yes.
But I think you did a really good job.
The challenge we had was having a full-on slider here.
Yeah.
On top of that, the handle pull was over on this side instead of this side. So, ooh.
Yeah, and you don't want to block all the really nice built-in bookcases.
Exactly.
And fireplaces.
Let's have a drink or two.
Sounds good.
It's 5 o'clock somewhere, right?
So this is a great little, anybody can do really anything with this space, but why not make it a little bar?
Absolutely. So you can have a bar, and in fact, you can even have a little desk study area if you wanted to.
A little nook, a reading nook, anything, but this is what people needed.
This is the new lifestyle.
Exactly.
Now, the funnest room for me, the best room, I think, was my favorite navy blue color.
The powder room.
The powder room. Mm-hmm. Let's take a look. You should see how it looks staged now. Let's go upstairs now.
Come on, let's go see these rooms.
1, 2, 3.
What do you think?
Oh my God, awesome. So one of the best things about this room and the other bedroom is that we redid the floors. They were kind of a real yellowy amber hardwood.
Honey color.
Yeah. And you referred today, and he came and did like a glaze. It only took like 2 or 3 days, and they look amazing and very, very modern now. Well, let's go look at the other room. Yeah, both these rooms had kind of crazy chandeliers hanging off that matched the dressers. And we also took all the window coverings down to let a lot more natural light in these rooms.
It's cleaner now. You can actually appreciate the room for what it is.
Oh yeah, it looks a lot better. And white is white.
Let's go down to a very interesting bathroom.
Yeah. Yeah, we took down all the wallpaper. It kind of had like a seashore feeling to it. And even though we kept the fixtures and the vanity, we painted it and put a new mirror up, and it's gonna be a great bathroom for somebody.
Now this room was empty, and
we had a laminate floor, which we didn't really want to keep, so we just carpeted this bedroom as well as the hallway and stairs and all the new carpet down there, and it turned out great.
After you.
All right, here's the master bedroom. Again, it had wallpaper and in different painting, and we just took it all down and painted everything one color from top to bottom, from crown to base. The white is white, and the closet doors and everything.
The rails used to be black.
Yes.
And everything felt so dark.
Yeah, it felt a little gaudy, a little dark. The white just like brightens it up, and you do have a beautiful view of the hills here and Almaden Valley. The trees are changing color. It's a really nice view from your master.
All right, we can't finish the tour without seeing the exterior.
The yard, outside.
I would like an order of French fries, please.
Coming up in 1 minute.
All right.
We have this seating area right here. A little fire pit. There's still plenty of room for kids to play.
I
It
think
looks good.
this yard is big enough for so many possibilities.
Everybody can have their space in the yard as well as in the house.
I'm hiding out back here.
Yeah, you go to that corner of the yard. By the AC.
All right, everyone, you saw the transformations in this home. Let me know if you have any comments down below, and what would you like to see next? Please share it, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell because you don't want to miss the next property. I'll see you later.
Oh my God, it looks really great. Yeah?
What do you think, Marianne?
I think it looks great. I think it looks like sold.